Hello everyone, welcome to our Python programming course. In this course, we will learn Python from the very beginning to an advanced level. You do not need any programming experience. We will learn everything step by step. Every lesson will include simple explanation, example, and practice. By the end of this course, you will be able to write your own Python programs and understand how Python works. So let's start with our first topic. Today's topic print function. This is the print function Python course lesson 1. The first thing every Python programmer learn is the print function. The print function is used to display the information the screen. We can print in this text number, calculation results, variables, and the messages. Almost every Python program uses the print function. It is one of the most important function in Python. Now let's look at our code and code explanation. Print and print 40. Yes, in 40, this line prints the character 4 times. This 4 times, and it creates a separator and makes the output easier to read. And the keyword print a string and output. Yes. Why do we use it? To make the output look clean and organized. And the print lesson. Yes, lesson goal. Print lesson function print function. This line prints the lesson, the title, keywords, print string, and text. Why do we use it? To display the title of the lesson. And print 40. This point prints another separate variable, the title keywords. This print and the separator output string. Why do we use it? To separate the title from the lesson content. And print example 1 printing text. Printing text this and this and yes, this and creates a new line. Then Python prints the example title keywords. This and new line escape character. Why do we use it? To organize the output into section. And print hello world. Welcome to yes, hello world. Hello world. This prints hello world. This is the first program most beginners write. Keywords hello world string output. Why do we use it? To learn how to print text. And print welcome to Python. Welcome to Python. This prints a welcome message. Keywords welcome string. Why do we use it? To display information for the user. And print, yes, print. This is my first Python program. This sentence strings. Why do we use it? To print longer message. And print an example to number and calculation. This starts a new section. Keywords new line output. Why do we use it? to separate different example. And print, sorry, yes, print print 100, yes, print 100. This prints the number 100 keyword integer number. Why do we use it? To display number. And the print, sorry, yes, print this 25 plus 15. This explanation Python calculates um, this prints answer keyword addition arithmetic integer. Why do we use it? To perform a mathematical calculation. And the print 8 times 9, yes, times 9. Python multiplies the numbers, then it prints the result. Keyword multiplication arithmetic. Why do we use it? To perform multiplication. And the print this 50 divided by 5. This Python divided the numbers, then it prints the result. Keyword division float. Why do we use it? To perform division. And the print this print example 3 mixed output. This new line keyword new line output. Why do we use it? To organize the program. And the name print, yes, print name Fatih. This prints a label and a value together. Keyword label and string. Why do we use it? To display information clearly. Print age 22. This prints text and number. Keyword integer and string. Why do we use it? To display mixed data. And the print course, this course Python. This prints the course name, keyword, course and output. Why do you use it? To show information. Print year 2026. This print the year. Keyword integer and output. Why do we use it? To display numeric information. And the print end of lesson 1. This tells the user the lesson as finished. Keyword and output. Why do we use it? To mark the end of the lesson. Print next lesson. Print next lesson comments. This shows the topic of the next lesson. Keywords, comments, next lesson. Why do we use it? To prepare students for the next lesson. And the program output. Yes. Yes. This is either example 3 outputs. Sorry. Lesson print function. Example 1. Print text. Hello world. Welcome to Python. This is my first Python program. Example 2. Number and calculation. This. And the example 3. Mixed output. Name Fatih. Age 22. Course Python. And the year. End of lesson 1. Next lesson comments. And the example this. And after running the program, this outputs our terminal. This is the lesson title and the separator. And example 1. Sorry. Example 1, print text. Hello world, welcome to Python. This is my first Python program. This section shows how Python prints text on the screen. And example 2. Example 2, numbers and calculation. This is. And Python calculates each mathematical expression first, then prints the results. And example 3, mixed output. This section shows that Python can print both text and numbers together in the same output. And end of lesson 1. This tells you that the lesson is complete and previews the next topic. And thank you for watching lesson. Today we learned how to use the print function to display text number and calculation results. In the next lesson, we will learn about commands and how to help use write clean and readable Python code. See you in the next lesson. Happy coding.